Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to change the language on Roblox in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to change the language in the Roblox app, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To change the language on Roblox, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the three dots, More, icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu screen will open. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Account Info. Scroll down to the Language section and tap on the drop-down icon. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. The Roblox app will now switch to your selected language immediately, and all menus, buttons, and text will appear in that language.